All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a huge challenge. How on earth do modern organizations actually make sense of all their massive, super complex data? I mean, if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed staring at endless spreadsheets or, wrestling with clunky enterprise software, well, you're absolutely going to love what we're breaking down today. We're looking specifically at this incredible combination of BI search and text analytics.
So think about this. Think about how incredibly intuitive it is to just pull out your phone and search for a restaurant, right? It's effortless. Well, what if querying your company's complex business data was just as simple? Imagine, instead of waiting, a week, maybe two, for a data team to build out a custom dashboard, you could literally just ask your system, hey, show me the revenue report from 2020 to 2025. And boom, you get an instant answer. It sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly what we call search-driven analytics. And honestly, it's a real game changer for how we interact with data.
Okay, let's actually define what we're talking about here. BI search, at its core, is a capability that empowers literally anyone in an organization to access data simply by asking a question. No coding required. Behind the scenes, what these systems are doing is they're indexing reports from your business intelligence platforms right at the GUI level, the graphical user interface. And that is a huge deal because it makes it incredibly easy for everyday end users to pinpoint entire reports or even just specific little sections of those reports without needing a degree in computer science. It's just right there.
But, and you knew there was a but. Here's the catch. A simple search bar is fantastic for clean, structured numbers. But the real world? The real world is messy. And that is exactly where text analytics, or you might hear it called text mining, steps into the picture. You can kind of think of text analytics as this critical, heavy-lifting engine. It steps in to handle all that messy, unstructured data that a basic search query just can't process on its own. It actually uses advanced computer systems to dig deep and extract meaningful insights and patterns from absolute mountains of raw text.
Now, to give you a clearer picture of what I mean by messy data, we're talking about everyday human communications. We're talking thousands of customer reviews scattered across a website, endless streams of social media posts, or just massive tangled threads of emails. What text analytics does is it takes this very specific type of unstructured data, rolls up its sleeves, and goes to work. It actually builds the underlying data structures that then allow your BI search to be highly targeted and actually give you the right answers. So they really work hand in hand. You kind of can't have one without the other.
And together they create this really beautiful bridge across what we call the data continuum. If you think about it, on one side you have conversational BI. This is the human side, how we interact with the data using AI digital assistants and chatbots, where we can type or even speak natural language queries, just asking questions. And on the exact opposite side, you've got automated text insights. This is how the system automatically understands all that data. It uses AI to do things like sentiment analysis, literally scoring a piece of text to figure out if it's positive or negative, along with pulling out key phrases or even instantly detecting the language being spoken. It's this perfect continuous loop of human inquiry on one side and machine understanding on the other.
Now, obviously, all of these amazing search and text capabilities don't just magically happen in a vacuum, right? They actually sit on top of a highly structured flow of information. So to truly grasp how these instant answers are generated from a simple question, we need to look at the underlying data flow architecture powering the whole shebang. It is a very precise, interconnected journey that takes us all the way from raw, messy input to a finished, actionable insight.
Let's walk through this journey step by step. First up, it all starts on the raw input side with your sources. We're talking your Excel files, your CRMs, various APIs. From there, that raw data gets pushed right into an integration phase. This is where an ETL engine steps in to extract, transform, and load the data, basically cleaning it up, before securely locking it away into a data warehouse, where it stores all that raw, summary, and metadata. Okay, next up is the analysis phase. This is the sweet spot. This is exactly where our BI search and text analytics operate, actively querying that warehouse data using BI tools like Power BI or Tableau. And finally, that brings us to the report phase, which delivers the actual dashboards and analyses that give you your answers.
So, bringing it all together, it really comes down to this incredibly powerful symbiotic relationship. Text analytics steps into the chaos, creates logical data structures out of it, and that in turn is exactly what enables BI search to deliver those perfectly targeted instant answers to your most pressing questions. It quite literally removes all the friction between having a question pop into your head and getting a hard, data-driven answer. So I'm going to leave you with this. When you no longer have to wait days or weeks for a report, How will search-driven analytics change your very next big decision?